everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya, and in today's video I'm going to show you this latest project of mine. This is a junk journal which comes in a cloth drawstring bag which I made, and then this journal comes with a package. So this journal comes, there is the journal, and it comes with an ephemera bag, and there are a lot of paper goodies in this bag, but we are going to talk about this in a while. First, let me show you guys the journal. So this is the journal. So this journal is hardbound journal with 4 signatures. I have done a video of this journal on YouTube on the tutorial of how I made this cover. So basically this cover is a mixed media cover. This is not a fabric cover that I always do. So this is a mixed media cover with a lot of different techniques used here, and it has got this open exposed binding. I have called this journal poetry. The reason being, first of all, because I have added a lot of poetry in this journal, and the second reason is because, you know, as poetry has a lot of layers, the same way this journal has a lot of layers. Each page has a lot of different layers. So let's go inside the journal. Okay, so as we go inside, so I have used a lot of sparkle in this journal. There is a lot of silver leaf, the silver metal leaf in the journal, and then I have used a lot of glitter and a lot of mixed media techniques throughout the journal. So that's the inside of the front cover. As we go further, there's a pocket here with some lace trimming. A poem here. So you can see there are a lot of mixed media techniques that I have used here. There's a pocket here, some stamping. All the pages are tea dyed. There's an envelope here. That's how it opens. That's another pocket here, a poem here. Then I use this vellum paper, and then I did some stamping here. And I just love the sound of this vellum. Okay, anyways, so as we go inside, there are 2 pockets here, and then I did some collaging on this paper. So this is the center of the signature. I wanted to keep this page in the center so that the whole thing is visible at once. And you can also see I did some trimming here just to give it distressed look. Again, the other side of the vellum, here's a pocket, some lace, some mixed media collaging here, some stamping, another pocket, there's another pocket here. I did not put any ephemera inside the journal because I thought that this journal is already too heavy and almost every page is embellished. So when I put the ephemera inside, it was becoming too heavy, so I decided to put my ephemera in a separate bag. That's a pocket here. There is a fabric pocket. So there is a lot of space to write, and then there is a lot of space for paper ephemera. So this side, there's some collaging here, and then this thing opens up. Let me just move it on a side, and then this thing opens up. Inside there's a pocket, and here also, and there's a poem here. I think this looks pretty here. And I tear this paper just to give this a shabby chic distressed look. And then this comes back like this. There's another poem, a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here. There's so many of them here. Some collaging, vellum, and then this another page with collaging, and there's some pockets here, and in the middle I put a library. I collaged a library card, and I also did silver leafing on these pages, and there's almost this pink glitter almost on all the pages. It looks pretty like this, eh? And when we open it, there's this pocket again. So the primary colors of this journal are pink and this very light teal. Now this thing it opens up. It's a flip pocket. I thought it's a nice place to add some Polaroid photographs. So I left this place open. Sorry, there are no pockets here. And then here there is an envelope with some stamping on it. So here we have a pocket, and here also there is a pocket. So you can see there is embellishment almost on every page. So here I added these 3 pockets. This one is a bit tinier, but these 2 are good size. Then again this side. So I used this same kind of paper napkin throughout to keep it cohesive. So I decoupaged it here with some washi. Again, this side there is some collaging. That's a fabric pocket, and I did the collaging or the background of this page throughout. So this paper collage is visible even through the pocket. On this side there is a collage here, and then there is this pocket. Some collaging here. This pocket here, and this one. And I did some stenciling on top of this vellum. That's a pocket here. This one, another place to keep the stuff. And I did some stenciling with my vintage French script stamp. Not stenciling, sorry, stamping with my vintage vintage script stamp. Here's a pocket. There's a paper flower here, a beautiful paper flower. Some more collaging. Now this thing is a open paper envelope. So I did some postal stamp, and I did some stamping here, and I tried to distress it a little bit. Here's a big pocket. Some collaging on both the sides. So you can see there is still a lot of writing space throughout the journal, and all these papers are tea-dyed. And I thought this looks very pretty. So these flowers on the other side are visible through this vellum paper. And even on this side it looks pretty, because how you can see this pink lacy fabric through this vellum. It looks pretty. Some collaging here, collaging. Okay, a beautiful poem here. That's a pocket. Okay, now this thing, I really like this. So I did two envelopes here with a little closure. So we can open each one of them. And then this is the second one. So it's like a twin envelope thing. And then they can go back like this. So now this is a flip pocket and it opens up like this. Some more collaging here on the both sides. This is a pocket here and this is also a pocket. A vellum sheet. Now this is again center of the signature with collaging, with silver leafing, and these two are the pockets. That's a poem here. Some collaging, and then there is a fabric pocket. This fabric is really pretty, hey? And then there is a pocket. Again, this one as well. And the last there is this poem, and I did a little fabric thing here. This is my last. This is the inside of the back cover, and I did a lot of silver leafing here as well. Looks pretty, huh? And that is it. So this is the journal. It is quite big, and almost every page here is nicely embellished. So let's go to the second part of this journal, which is my ephemera bag. So now I'm quite pleased with myself after I did sewing of this bag, because I don't consider myself someone who could sew well. So this is a pretty fabric, a lacy net fabric, and then it has got some lace here, and then I enclosed it using a brush. So you can open it up. You can take the brush out. It's a pretty brush, eh? Okay. So this ephemera bag is so much full of goodies. So let me take them out one by one. The first thing I have is this beautiful envelope. I made it again with the same kind of theme, using a lot of mixed media techniques. I decoupaged this paper napkin. There is a chipboard key here, some washi. It's quite pretty. And this paper envelope is tea dye. And inside this envelope, I added these. There are 7 of them. Beautiful postcards. And I did a tutorial on how to make these postcards on my YouTube channel. I'll post a link to the video in the description box below. So these are quite pretty, hey? So there are 7 of them. Then this ephemera bag has these 2 paper bags. And in this paper bag, I have these 2 altered library cards. So I made this using mixed media decoupage techniques, and I'm quite pleased with how this has turned out. And the second one, this also is quite pretty. And inside this, I added these 3 tags. And then I have this little bundle of paper goodness. I have this little bundle of paper goodies, and so I'll quickly show what is here. There are a lot of little tags. There is this little bag, or like little envelope, sorry. There is this beautiful greeting card, another tag, some little journaling cards. You can either use these things in the journal, so in all those little pockets that they are in the journal, you can use them, or you can use them for your other journal or whatever you want to use them for. There are a lot of ideas for them that you can go ahead with. And then there is this big tag. I added these little crystals. I don't know what you call them. Are they fake gemstones? I don't know. But they look pretty, whatever they are. So here you can see also there are a lot of mixed media techniques. So this is this, and then in the end I have this another bundle of paper ephemera. So here I have these tags, and then these slightly bigger tags. So this is it, and I'm going to upload this journal on my Etsy shop. So if any of you is interested, you can go to my Etsy shop, and I will put the link of my Etsy shop in the description box below. So guys, there is a lot in this journal, in this, I would say, in this journal package with journal and other ephemera. So if you guys are interested, please go and check out my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching my video and for all the support. Bye.